Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way.
Easter egg hunting. Go ahead and hunt around here for a minute. See if I can't find something cool. Look at that. That is like brand new. I don't mind if I do. I don't mind if I do, One man's trash. It's another man's treasure. What are you doing up there?
Just taking a picture. I want a picture.
All right, I got it.
Okay, well, can I see it?
Sure.
But that's a different kind. See these ones with this part? These are different kind. Oh, that's different kind. That's a different kind of measurement.
1/4, 5/18, 5/16, 7/16.
Okay, where does that go next?
Look at Mom.
Then half.
Didn't we need a 3/8?
Probably.
I've got one.
3/4. You see a 3/4? That. Eleven 16. 5/8.
5/8. 5/8.
Did you guys find some treasure?
Just teasing.
What are you doing, Alexander?
Go in there and check it out.
What are you guys doing?
It's okay. You just gotta be careful and explore. Just be careful.
What is that you're gonna take off?
The toilet.
The traveler?
The raccoons. You know, stepping at it.
Is it? It's. Hold on, Aiden.
Yep.
Where is the grinder?
There you go.
Uh-oh.
Which one?
The one on. Okay.
Hold on.
Dude, Aiden.
A little one is not gonna turn.
No, but I want that too. Can I have the drill back?
I found another radio. Sort of a radio. Look at.
All right.
It's a radio.
You gonna get your brother?
Ask Dad. Impact extension.
Babe, do you have an extension?
Yeah. Impact extension.
Yeah, I got some.
So as you guys can see, this is a very nasty boat.
It's not nasty.
No, it's just.
It's actually a really nice boat. It's
Yeah,
kind of
it's a very
sad that it's
Got
in this
a bunch of nastiness in it.
situation. It's really not that nasty, Alexander.
I mean, it's got a bunch of nastiness in it, though.
It's just stuff that hasn't been taken care of in a few, months?
Years.
No,
Like a year?
Alexander, it is not that bad. This is actually a really nice boat.
Here,
And it
here.
Yep. No, impact for drill bits. Drill bit extension.
Drill bit extension. Why don't you just put the... Be careful, the shit is behind you.
Oh, hello.
Too long.
Too long.
Too long. I need it like 3 inches.
Maybe Alexander can fit his little body in there.
Alright.
Yeah, man, stoppers, I know. I'm trying to get Aiden to take some of that off right now.
Okay.
I'm trying to get Aiden to take a look at them now.
A guy was looking at these stoppers.
It's just
How'd you cut this?
put it down onto the deck like it's a cutting board. Don't cut your hands.
Yeah, I got it. Sure enough.
Love you.
Not doing this on our boat.
No, sir. This boat's got a red X on it, man.
Its days are numbered.
All the hardware on it and everything is just gonna get scrapped.
It's terrible.
It's just heartbreaking.
Every time someone says they're looking for like sailboat stuff, I always just take them right back here.
Quiet on the set.
His finger is covered.
Quiet on the set, guys.
Get your finger off the camera.
You're tightening it again, Alexander.
Get his face, Asher.
Make sure you're filming his face too.
I can't see. I only see my face. You can't see my. I can't see. The impact driver.
The tool? The impact driver?
Which one do I need?
This one.
Okay.
It's got a 9/16 socket on it already. Can you make it to me? He's all right. There you go. So that's it. Just cut me one of these pieces. Good job, Alexander. Aiden,
Yes, sir.
did you get those bolts off the other side?
Yes, sir.
Make it tight a bit minute, say. Or just safety rope.
Alexander, the one you're gonna do first, turn a little.
I might have to
like you were saying.
that wrench. Might have to
The wrench?
The one you're gonna do first, Alexander.
What?
Turn the one you're gonna do first. Do the other ones first. That you can get to, Alexander.
Do the ones. Let them know when you're gonna do it. Are you gonna do after or forward?
Looks like forward.
Why do you like to use the rope?
For what you were saying. So, mom,
Oh, the bit minute.
grab the Dodger.
Nice rope over there. You say that?
Here.
Forward.
Forward. Did it.
Which one? Forward or
Starboard. All right, you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. What?
That was aft.
Oh. Side. Right.
Good job.
I think you might be out. No, we'll just have. Nope.
Watch your
It's
step.
nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
You gotta sit down. And you gotta sit down with brother. You gotta sit down with brother. Let brother sit down first. Let brother sit down first. Okay. Aiden.
Thanks, guys. Take care.
Now you sit down next to brother. Aiden, scoot over. Don't let her loose.
It's freaking out.
Yeah.
I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's being more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
We have had this system set up for a little while for hauling water back to our work site, our job site. But we've been getting this buildup of algae inside the tank. So we're going to clean it out real good, and we're going to put some bleach in it to kill that off. And we're going to paint the tank black, you know, as you can see here, to try to cut down on that. But it's nice to be able to have a few hundred gallons of water right there at the job site whenever we need it. Just another perk of working on our boat here at the salvage yard.
Can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. I'd rather be than with you.
So we got a call at Easy saying there might be some goodies left over from one of the boats that they just crushed. They said they left it over here somewhere. A Garmin radar system and a smashed up solar panel. I don't think that'll be any good. There's a wind turbine thing. It's got a few broken propellers.
Nice. We'll see what we can do with that.
Yeah, we might be able to find some new propellers.
Look at this, son. Look. Right here.
Is it sailing rigging? Sailing rigging?
Ha ha ha! Block and tackle.
Yeah.
Nice.
Get it to untangle.
Score.
For sure.
Let's see. Nice.
One of the little circles are broken, but that's about it. Awesome. These other cups over there, you want those? There's one of them right there.
Ah.
Can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky.
Please check out our blog and don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Thanks for watching.